Here's how I animate on Procreate. I was inspired going through my stories on Facebook. Brittany's video came up and I thought it was so gorgeous I had to animate it. The first step I took was to screen record her video so that I had it as a reference. When I draw or paint, I usually use the split screen function on my iPad. So I have my reference on the left and I can be drawing on the right. With her paused picture on the left, I was able to use my handy-dandy figure drawing skills to draw out one of the frames. I had already kind of made up my mind that I wanted to use cotton candy colors. So I really just played around with it until I was happy with the color scheme. If you're ever stuck finding a color scheme, Pinterest has some really awesome inspiration boards. I play around with the background until I'm satisfied. I thought this is what I wanted, but you'll see I'll change it later. After I get the general aesthetic down, I start playing around with the highlights and the shadows. I decided I didn't want too many shadows for this. I wanted it to be light and airy. You can really see how these tiny little additions can create such a difference. I also really wanted it to have this pencil drawn look, so I left the pencil marks and kept reinforcing that throughout. This process takes a lot of experimentation and a lot of redrawing. While still being able to see the last layer, I drew over it with another figure drawing according to what I was seeing on the left. I would continue to adjust the drawing and adjust the features with each layer that I drew. Once I had 3 drawings, I could switch in between them to see if they flowed. I continued this process for 24 frames, so that is 24 drawings for this 1-second animation. I kept track by putting them in parent groups that were numbered. And what's great about Procreate is that you can manipulate the drawing however you'd like, so you don't have to start from scratch every time. You can select multiple layers to manipulate while leaving the rest. It is a huge time saver. Now here's the result of the full 24 drawings. You can see the subtle nuances of each drawing and how each one leads to the next. If you click Settings at the bottom right-hand corner, you'll be able to see all of your options from onion skinning, frames per second, to looping. And voila! Simple process with a super beautiful result. Like and subscribe if you found this process helpful, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching!